Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find a section called Sound and Vibration. Let's enter. Now let's scroll down in order to find the phone ringtone. As you can see, we've got two different options connected to the phone ringtone. It is because they are divided between two different SIM cards. So you can set totally another ringtone for first SIM card and totally another for the second one. So let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone for the first SIM card. And as you can see, after tapping, this window simply pops out, and here we've got defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, we've got, let's say, two additional options. So at the very top, we've got the none option, and it simply means that after picking it, your device will not use any sound feedback to notify you about the incoming call. And at the very bottom, on the other hand, we've got the Add Ringtone option, and it simply means that we can tap here. We will be transferred to our own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded and they will be compatible, they will appear right here. Or you can change, of course, the files, the albums, and pick it and set it as a ringtone. So that's quite a cool option. But let me go back to the defaultly installed ringtones, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. And of course, let me volume the sound. So basically that's how it works. Just tap on it and you will be able to listen them. And if you'd like to set the ringtone, so for example, let's pretend that I want this simple option to be set, and then just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.